What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my new viewers, and thank you to my current subscribers. Normally, this is a drone channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. My hard drive in the computer that I edit off of has crashed, so I need to replace that. If this is not your thing, I understand. I'll catch you next week. If it is your thing or you're interested, let's do this. One drive right here, and then this is the failing drive, so I'm going to pull that out, and that gives me enough SATA cables and enough power cables to make this happen. Alright, so I gotta borrow some screws here. Uh-oh. Don't do that. Get the new drive out. Alright, so got my SATA cable. Really thinking I should not have gotten a 90, just something that was straight on both sides. But whatever. Gotta go with what you gotta go with. So this, I'm gonna clip this side into the motherboard, and this side I'm gonna clip into the drive. Cool, I got it. Right in the center of the screen, that's where that plugged in. There's two red wires. Step 2 is I gotta feed my power wire from the back into the front compartment here. Ooh, shiny. Okay, so the drive is screwed in, and I connected both this SATA cable and this SATA cable. The old one there, the new one here. Now I am just trying to connect these power wires. So I've got one connected right there. There we go. And then this other one is kind of breaking my stones. Right here, it's got 5 wires. This guy's got to connect back into the drive. So a lot of you are probably wondering right now, well, why am I not cleaning this computer out? Well, the answer is because I don't feel like it. Actually, the real answer is because I got to take this thing apart again to get the failing hard drive out. I'm going to try to hook this all up together, get the new drive active, and pull what's on the failing drive off of it. So here we go. Drive is installed. I went to disk management, and right over here I applied a drive letter to it. Format it, you apply partition. Here's what we need to do right here. Change drive letters and paths. So what I'm in the process of doing is moving everything from this drive to this drive. So let me explain a little bit about my workflow. I will take all the footage from the cameras and forward them to my editing drive and to my network attached storage. The network attached storage will copy it to a second drive. I will have all my footage backed up onto 3 separate drives. I will edit off the main drive on the computer. It's just an editing drive. It has all my footage on it. The network attached storage is solely for backups. So if I do happen to lose something, it's not a big deal. So I will edit off the drive on the computer. That's the one that failed. Lately, I have been editing off the network attached storage And let me tell you, the edits have been super slow. It's taken me probably an hour longer per video just to edit because I'm waiting for the files. If you've enjoyed this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Just punch that subscribe button because you only get to do it once and it's fun. And I'll catch you later. Peace.